popping cause we fresh to death. Half a meal on this grill and I'm all in, yes. Let the skills pay the bills. I'm out for mini skirts, big checks, and cheap thrills. Hit 'em, sick when I spit 'em. Lyrics like dirty money, bad but still illin'. Rumors they bad mouth spread this urban fiction. It's like they can't get enough, mind numbing addiction. Quick when I hit 'em, sick when I spit 'em. Lyrics like dirty money, bad but still illin'. Rumors they bad mouth spread this urban fiction. It's like they can't get enough, mind numbing addiction. Quick when I
all night long, we like to party till the break of dawn.
We are live on Facebook. We are live on YouTube. It's true. Happy Money Monday, everybody. I told you guys. All we do is bring you winners. Take a look at this. Who was on our show last week? You know. Winning. I'll let you guys look at it. You guys look at it. You guys do your research.
I'm out for mini skirts, big checks, and cheap thrills. Fresh to death. We get it poppin' cause we fresh to death. Half a meal on this grill and I'm holding, yes. Let the skills pay the bills. I'm out for mini skirts, big checks, and cheap thrills. Fresh to death. We get it poppin' cause we fresh to death. Half a meal on this grill and I'm holding, yes. Let the skills pay the bills. I'm out for mini skirts, big checks, I'm in addiction. Quick when I hit 'em, sick when I spit 'em. Lyrics like dirty money, bad but still illin'. Rumors they bad mouth spread this urban fiction. It's like they can't get enough, mind numbing addiction. Quick when I hit 'em, sick when I spit 'em. Lyrics like dirty money, bad but still illin'. Rumors they bad mouth spread like urban fiction. It's like they keep away the big shots and cheap thrills.
Oh, we love winning on Rich TV Live. Yes, we do. And I brought you NPHC first. And guess what? They're up 16.9% again today. And look at the volume, people. 6.8 million shares have traded. We are live on Facebook. We are live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the universe. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to go live on one more stream. We are streaming all over the world, all over the universe. And believe it or not, I have more winners for you. It's true. I know. It's hard to believe. But every single day, I'm going to keep bringing you winners. And they're going to multiply. And you're going to win. I know. If you're not winning, you know what I say. You're not watching. The question is, who exactly is watching? That's the real question, because when stocks go on my show and companies come on my show and then they climb 66% after they've been on my show in 4 days, you know people are watching and we know people are winning. So why is everybody so excited about Nutrapharma Corp? What is it about this company that's got people excited, that's bringing in the volume, bringing in the winning? What is it about this deal that everybody likes? Well, before I get into all of this, what I want to do is I want to make sure we're streaming on every single platform that we believe is useful for the growth of you, the people at home, and our channel and our community. So we will be streaming on Facebook, YouTube, and on LiveMe. And we may even have a company or a special guest come on the show today. So there's a lot of great things happening here on Rich TV Live. We're very, very excited. We got a lot of winners. We're going to get into it. We got a lot of winners that are doing really, really well, and we will get into it. In the meantime, what I'll do, I'll give you guys some music to think about and to get your stocks ready, get your questions ready. If you guys have any questions that are stock related, please feel free to message me in the chat room. Whatever chat room you are using, feel free to message me with any questions, any stocks that you want me to look at, any stocks that you really like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go to YouTube and go to Rich TV Live and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't been getting all of my alerts in real time, hit that little bell. Okay, there's a little bell beside the subscribe button. If you hit that little bell, it'll let you know every single time I am live, every single time we have a show, every single time I have another upload, you will be alerted first, so you won't have to miss a second of Rich TV Live, okay? So, I know it's exciting. I know. But don't worry. We're just getting started, people. Alright, we are going to be streaming very soon right now on LiveMe. Let's do this. Now, LiveMe uses Instagram. So when we're streaming on LiveMe, as we just hit up 21.5%, this is the beautiful thing with live television, folks. You can see the winning live. You know what I'll do? I'll put up another winner for you guys. Take a look at this. GBSND. Wow. Up 103%. Can you believe it? I know. Another winner brought to you here live on Rich TV Live. And don't worry, guys. We got more. Because our winners, they just keep winning. And what have I told you guys? Don't chase losers, because losers lose. Chase winners, because winners win. GBSND at $1.77, up 103% today. What do you call that, guys? I call that winning. I call that winning. What do you call it when you see a stock up 103%? Who's winning on a Money Monday? The entire market is in the green, people. Let's take a look. Market Watch. Take a look at this, guys. The Dow Jones is up 116 points. The S&P 500 is up 12 points. The NASDAQ is up 32 points. The global Dow is up. The global Dow is up 12 points. And gold is up. The safe haven, 2.2 points. Oil is down slightly, 0.43. Typically when gold goes up, oil goes down. But this might be different right now because we're in a little bit of a crisis in the world right now, potentially going to World War III with America having hostility with North Korea and all kinds of tensions rising in the Middle East. So that could be a spike for oil, but typically when gold goes up, oil goes down. So keep your eye on that. Right now, gold is up 2 points, oil is down 0.43. Oil is the only thing in the index that we're looking at right now that is in the red. Everything else is in the green. This is a great sign for traders. This is great news. We're very excited to see the winning. We love winning, okay? We love winning. Now, remember I told you guys, don't be chasing the dips. Because when you chase the dips, that makes you a dipshit. And we don't want to chase dips. We want to chase winners. And when stocks are down, you have to let them keep going down. You have to let them keep going down and going down and going down. And what happens is over time, eventually, they will hit a bottom, start to turn around, and that is when you position yourself in the stocks. What is happening in the medical marijuana space today? Everything is in the red, okay? All the big board stocks in the HMMJ ETF, in the HMLSF, American Medical Marijuana ETF, are in the red today, people. So what we do is we continue to watch. We continue to date. You don't just immediately buy it saying, oh, I think it's the bottom. That's guessing. We don't want to guess, guys. We want to do sure things, okay? So what do? We identify good companies that are hitting a bottom, and we can't guess what the bottom is. We can only determine what the bottom is by looking with our eyes. Our eyes don't lie, but people do, okay? People lie every day. I'm going to give you guys a great example of that. Let's talk about BLTO. BLTO was a stock that was being promoted for about a month. Every promoter in the world got paid to talk about BLTO. And what happened to BLTO? Are you guys aware of what happened to BLTO? Well, look at this. That's a skull and bones, people. Right there. That's a skull and bones. BLTO has been suspended because all of the promotion they were doing was manufacturing a stock price and a share price that wasn't a share price that can be justified. Thus, the Securities and Exchange Commission has halted this security, given it a skull and bones due to promotion and over promotion of this security, taking the stock all the way up from the penny world all the way up to $3. Then it came all the way down and it got halted. So if you got in and out of this stock, congratulations. If you're stuck in this stock, I honestly don't know what the future holds for you in this stock, because unfortunately this company here, now that it has been suspended, this company is being investigated. This is why I'm saying be very careful with stocks that are being promoted by promoters, because when you try to manipulate a stock price and you try to force a stock up, you will get either halted by IROC in Canada. We don't really love you, IROC. Or you're going to get shorted in America, or even worse, you will get halted by the SEC, which BLTO has been halted and suspended. And I showed you guys another stock last week, IMMG, which also has been halted because of promotion, because they were being promoted, and they've got a skull and bones. And you see this hasn't been removed, guys. Once you get a skull and bones and you start operating in the gray market, it is almost impossible to come back. Now, I don't necessarily agree with this because it kills investors' money. But what I do think is you need to be very careful with buying promoter stocks, because when stocks run up too much on promotion, these types of things are going to happen. And when these types of things happen, it's very bad for these companies. It's bad for you, the people at home. It's bad for the investors. It's bad for everybody. This is exactly why I am saying I want you guys to respect your money. I want you guys to treat your money with respect, okay? And I want you to invest in the best. But you need to be snipers and you need to be ninjas. And you need to wait for your opportunity like a sniper, like a ninja. And when you see the opportunity, you buy low. And then when you see the opportunity, you sell high. When you see the opportunity, you buy low, and when you see the opportunity, you sell high. And you take your money and run, and you stay in a cash position so as not to get stuck in these types of opportunities. Because if you get stuck in these types of opportunities, ask our very own Tony Brown, who is stuck in IMMG. It is not a good feeling, and your money is dead, okay? So please, be careful. This is why I stay away from stock promoters that are being paid to pump up stocks. They are very dangerous. And when stocks go up too much and the companies cannot justify it, they will either get halted by IROC in Canada, or they will get suspended by the SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission, and you, the average investor, will get hurt. And we don't want you guys getting hurt. We want you guys winning, okay? And the only way to win is to invest in good companies that have a good product, that have a good management, and are making money, and hopefully are not bleeding in debt and riddled in debt. Those are the companies you want to stay away from. Those are the companies that are absolutely dangerous. Those are the companies that we do not like to watch, and we don't want in our radar at all. We want to watch them for educational and entertainment purposes, guys. And remember, Rich TV Live, I am not a licensed advisor. I am doing this show strictly for education and entertainment purposes, to show you, the people at home, that the average person, anybody can do this. Anybody can get a trading account. Anybody can get level 2 market depth. Anybody can watch stocks, and anybody can win. The average person can win. The average person can win 100% on a stock in a day. The average person can win on BVTK, a stock that I've been talking to you guys about for a week. And this is the gift that keeps on giving people. Look, it keeps going up every single day. Look at this. up 66%. What do we do when we find winners, people? We give recognition. And I think in this situation, recognition is due because this is one of those winners that was brought to me, brought to you, the people, by you, the subscribers, the viewers, the people at home that want to win, that are tired of losing and just want to win and feel like you deserve to win. And guess what? You do. And if you bought BVTK, you're now up 72% today alone. And that sounds like winning, doesn't it? Sure sounds like winning to me. What do you guys think? Do you think that that's winning? What do you think, guys? Do you think that that deserves some winning? What do you think? I just can't believe, like, up 72%. Wasn't this up like every day last week? This has come from 0001 to 003, representing a 3,000% gain in a week. So if you put in $1,000, you would have made $30,000 in 1 week on BVTK. And I've been talking about it every single day on this show. And do you believe that it continues to climb? Can you believe that this continues to climb every single day? I just cannot believe how this continues to win. And guys, I want to keep bringing the winners to your attention because that's what we do here in Rich TV Live. We bring you the winners. And when we find winners, we give recognition. Where recognition is due. And I believe with BVTK, this is a big winner. Chicken dinner for everybody. In fact, forget the chicken dinner. We get the big turkey. Bring out the big fat turkey for everybody on BVTK. Look at the chart. Look at the history on BVTK. This has been absolutely on fire, guys. En fuego. But I'm not really surprised, and you shouldn't be either, because all I do is bring you winners anyways. So I know you guys are not surprised. We've just hit 003 on the bid, 0032 on the offer. Now look at this. There's 20,000 shares on the bid. There's 2.7 million shares on the offer at 0032 on the offer, 003 on the bid. This is Investors Hub, guys. This is level 2 market depth. This is how you day trade. When you use level 2 market depth, you have an advantage. These are the tools of the gods, and these are the tools that are being used by day traders every single day that gives you, the average person at home, an advantage over the average investor. Okay? So if you want to win, you need to learn how to use these types of tools. Level 2 market depth. As you see, somebody's jumping. 0032 jumped at 0031 with 263,000 shares at 0031. So that's about $500-600, and they're just sitting here and they're selling at 0031. It's probably just a retail trader, someone like you and me, that bought it in the triple zeros and selling it today for a major profit at 0031. So put BVTK on full alert, put on your watch list. It's a big winner, and it has been hot. It has been on fire, and it has been going up from the underworld, from 0001 all the way up to 003, and it's been going up every single day. Look at this. The bid just popped up, 0031. The offer is now at 0032. It is going up as we speak, people. It has the big mo for momentum. And you never, ever, ever go against the momentum. Okay, guys? Never, ever, ever go against the momentum. Okay? Now, if you know me, you know I don't love penny stocks. I don't love penny stocks. I like penny stocks because you can make a lot of money, but you also can lose a lot of money in penny stocks. So please, be careful. This is up 3,000%. As quickly as it's come up, it could very quickly come down. I'm not telling you guys this to tell you to buy it. I'm doing this for education and entertainment purposes only, okay? So please, beware, be careful. This is hot, it's on fire. Enter your own risk, okay? There's a reason why it's a sub-penny stock. There's always a reason why these companies are sub-penny stocks, guys, okay? So be careful, beware, but I really like it. It's hot, it's been on fire, and we'll continue to watch it, we'll continue to date it, and hopefully this momentum continues. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up some music for this next one, because this next one is a monster. And it's true, we found it first before anybody else on the planet, because that's what we do on Rich TV Live. We identify the winners first. So take a look at this one, guys. I've been talking about it every day. It's the gift that keeps on giving. I alerted it at 4 cents. That's right. I alerted it at 4 cents. Let's see where they're at today. Are you guys ready? You ready for some more surprises? Let's make you wait one more minute. All right, people, take a look at this. BITCF. First, Bitcoin Capital Corp. Oh, feels so good to win. My goodness, all this winning is contagious. All this winning is contagious. Oh boy, Dennis the Menace. Dennis bought this at 9 cents. Today he's sitting back, enjoying himself, winning big time. Up 22% today alone. And didn't we talk about this company first before anybody else on the planet? I'm pretty sure we did, guys. BITCF. Yeah, pretty sure we talked about this one first before anybody else on the planet when it was at 4 cents. First, Bitcoin Capital Corp. Now, why would I like a Bitcoin company? Bitcoin's trading at $1,000 a share. This little company out of Canada becomes a Bitcoin company, small cap, decide to get into cryptocurrency, and their stock goes from the sub-pennies, the underworld, all the way up to 4 cents. I tell everybody I love it. I alerted on our show. Now they've climbed up all the way to 55 cents. Look at the volume. 1 million shares. That's $500,000 that's gone through this penny stock today. I absolutely love BITCF. In fact, I think it's a huge winner, and I hope you guys are getting an opportunity to take advantage of this momentum, because they've got the big mo. And when you find winners that are going up every single day, why should you be looking at anything else? It just doesn't make any sense. Why would I look at a loser when I could look at a winner every single day? And wasn't this just at 20 cents like a week ago? And now they're at 50? Congratulations to anybody that's been able to profit from this. I personally was the one that found this deal, and I couldn't even buy it in Canada. Apparently now you can buy it in Canada. So I believe they've reached a market cap where you can now buy it in Canada. So that's pretty exciting, but I'm not going to chase a stock that's up 22%. I'll continue to watch it. I'll continue to date it. I think the shorters will get a hold of it at some point and most likely take it back down, probably to 20 to 30 cents. But I might be wrong. I've been wrong before. It might continue to just keep going up. And if it does, Dennis, you're going to be one happy camper, my friend. My goodness. We love BITCF. In fact, we love any deal that has the big momentum. Any deal that is climbing up every single day and gaining momentum, gaining steam, building a foundation of investors, building a foundation of shareholders. That is what we're looking for here on Rich TV Live. We're looking for winners. We're looking for winners every single day. Guys, the market is in the green, having an epic rally. The Dow Jones is up 115 points. The S&P 500 is up 12 points. The NASDAQ is up 31 points. The global Dow is up 11.99 points. Gold is up 2.1 points. And oil is down slightly, 0.46 of a point. What else is up on a Money Monday? What else could be up on a Money Monday? Well, let me show you guys. WPRT. Take a look at this one, guys. Up 17% at $1.24 on the NASDAQ. I love NASDAQ stocks, guys. At $1.24, up 17%. It's a big winner. I told you guys, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Now, what else could possibly be up? Anybody else know what could be up on a Money Monday? Anybody else know what could be up on a Money Monday? Take a look at this one, guys. A big board stock, which I love. We all use it every single day. Netflix. NFLX. Look at this, guys. Up 2.9%. Netflix is one of the hottest big board stocks in the world. Guys, this has come up dramatically in the last year alone. It's up 2.9% today at $147. Traded 6.9 million shares. I absolutely love Netflix. A lot of you guys are asking me, Richard, please send me some big board stocks. Netflix, guys. Buy stocks that you use. Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. Don't we use all four of those every day? Buy those stocks. Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. I love those four. And let's throw Apple in there. Make those 5. And let's throw Tesla in there. Let's make that 6. That's the fabulous big board 6. Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Google, Netflix, Amazon. Did I miss anything? Those are the fabulous 6. So, BIC, one of you guys just asked me, is there a U.S. symbol for BITCF? BITCF is the U.S. symbol. BITCF is the U.S. symbol. First Bitcoin Capital Corp is a Canadian company, but it's only listed in America under the symbol BITCF. Okay, guys? So, BITCF is absolutely on fire, up another 22.5% today, just walking up, just walking up, just walking up. Every single day, walking up, marching up, every single day. BITCF, BITCF. I love you, BITCF. Without you, our friend Dennis, he wouldn't be winning so much. But because of you, our friend Dennis, he's doing a lot of winning. That's right. Now, what else is up in America? Some of you guys are giving me symbols. Let's take a look at your symbols. Now, I want the winners, guys. Please, don't give me losers. Nothing in the red today. I'm not interested in bleeding. Look at this. Wow. Give it up to Alejandra. You are a scholar, my friend. Let's give it up to Alejandra, a true scholar. Look at this winner. Told you guys, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Because all we do is we find the winners, and we find them first before anybody else on the planet. Let's do it right now. Alejandra, you're getting recognition. You are getting recognition, Alejandra. This is a big winner, guys. Up 95%. Are you kidding me? Do you guys see that on Live Me? You guys see that on Instagram? 22 million shares traded at $3.05. Up 95%. Are you kidding me? That's called winning, people. It's true. We are finding winners. And we are going to continue to find the winners because that's what we do. We do not chase the losers. We do not chase the red. We do not chase anything but winners here on Rich TV Live. And we absolutely love CBLI. In fact, we are already dating CBLI. It's one of the companies in my top 100, and it is up today 95%. Give it up to CBLI and Alejandra. You know what, Alejandra? Just for that, because you're such a scholar, I'm going to give you some winning music. I think that deserves some winning music. What do you guys think? Some winning music? I like winning music. And Alejandra sounds like a ethnic name. So maybe you would like some Spanish music. Now, I don't got too much Spanish music in my arsenal that's not copywritten. But what I do got is the thump and jump. You ready? You ready to do some thump and jump? That's called winning, people. Up 94%. Where else can you go and find the opportunity to make 95% on your money? Let me know. Where else can you find the opportunity to make 95% on your money? I like to know. And if you know, please tell me. Would you guys like to see a little Ronaldo? Cristiano Ronaldo. Jump! Up 94%. Thank you, Alejandra. Give me more. Alejandra, give me more winners. I want to know what else is winning, people. Do we have more winners? Could there be more? We going higher. What else is going higher, people? Everybody's buying turkey dinner today. Forget the chicken. Winner, winner, turkey dinner. It's true. We are winning. Now, have I missed anything on a Money Monday? Guys, scan the marketplace. I want all the winners. Show everybody how powerful our community is. I want to know all the winners, people. We got NPHC up 17.5%. We have GBSN with a D. They just did a reverse, and they're at $1.76, up 106%. We've got BVTK up an incredible 66%. We've got BITCF, the gift that keeps on giving, up 22.5% live. We are doing and streaming this live. These winners are live. And let's give it up to CBLI, brought to us by Alejandra, up 96%. And what else is up today? WPRP up 15%. A NASDAQ deal. I love NASDAQ deals, guys. Now, what else is up today? Now, I don't know what price you guys should buy the stock. What I suggest you do is watch it with your eyes. And when you guys watch it and you see the stock come all the way down and hit a bottom and start turning around and start spiking up, that's when you got a sniper trade. And you get in low, and then when you see it shoot up like this, 95, 103% with a big mo, you gotta get out, take your money and run to the bank, run to the shopping mall, run to your vacation, run to financial freedom, because they go up really quickly and they come down really quickly. So you gotta take your money and run, and you gotta learn to be disciplined. Okay, guys? Learn to be disciplined, learn to take your money and run. Now let's look at some more winners on a Money Monday. What are the hot stocks today, everybody? Let's find out, shall we? Oh, I love you guys in the room. Look at all these picks. Let's go through it, guys. Let's go through it, shall we? Take a look at UOMO. We haven't been dating yet, but we're going to start right now. Here's the evidence. See that little thing in the corner? Yeah, you probably can't see it. Let me shrink this down a little bit. There we go. That's much better. So now, as you guys can see, we are going to start dating. See that little check mark right there? A little check mark right there? That means we're dating. You guys can see. We are now officially dating. I am following UOMO. It's a sub-penny stock. It has the big momentum, up 30%, 37.5% to be exact. So it has some momentum, traded 2.5 million shares, and up 37% at 0015 by 0017. It's got the big mo. Give it up to Eric for this pick. Let's take a look at the next one, guys. MYDX. Let's take a look at MYDX. I know this is one that Epi just loves. MYDX. While we do that, what we'll do is we'll stomp away a little bit. Yeah, guys, I can't tell you guys what price to buy stocks and what price to sell stocks, okay? I'm not God. I'm not a psychic. All I can do is teach you guys. This show is for education and entertainment purposes only. As UOMO is now up 41%. Thank you, Garrick. You are a scholar, my friend. Now let's take a look at the next one. Epi's very own MYDX, brought to us today by, let's see, Kyle Patterson. All right, Kyle, let's pull it up. Take a look at this, everybody. MYDX up 21.8%. That's called winning. Look at the volume, guys. 58 million shares at 1.7. That is absolutely enormous. That is winning, people. Okay? I told you, if you're not winning, you're not watching. We've been following MYDX since it's been a sub-penny stock. And look at this chart. Woo! All the way up today. We love winning. Winning is contagious. Don't we love winning? Sure do. We love the winning. Now let's take a look at what else is up today. Brought to me, brought to you. by the subscribers, the viewers, the watchers, the people. Oh, IBRC, is it up? Let's take a look. Wow! IBRC doing a dead cat bounce, guys. Up 46%. That's the gift that keeps on giving if you guys learn how to sniper trade and buy low and sell high. I know a lot of guys sniper trading this stock, buying low, selling high, and making a lot of money, everybody. I hope you are too. That's IBRC. How about UBQU? You guys know I love this stock. I bring it on the show all the time. UBQU. Let's see. UBQU is up slightly, up 6% right now. This is the gift that keeps on giving. A medical marijuana stock that is actually making money. UBQU traded 13 million shares, up 5.9%. It's got the big mo, and it's winning, people. Wow, look at this. As we speak, it just hit up 9.9%. Is that the power of Rich TV Live? Who's watching? Who exactly is watching out there in the world of live streaming on Instagram, on LiveMe, on YouTube, and on Facebook? Who exactly is watching? Because if you're watching, you're winning. Look at this. I talked about it, and while I talked about it on the show, it just went up from 5.9%. It doubled, now up 9.9%. Do you guys see the power of Rich TV Live? Do you see power of the people? The power of the positivity? The power of the streaming on YouTube that we are doing. Because of you, YouTube, all of this is possible. Without you, YouTube, none of this would be possible. Let's look at some more. How about SING? Let's see. Look at SING. Wow, guys, SING doing a dead cat bounce. And what do we do when we find winners? We must celebrate, and we celebrate with music. Up 19%. Are you singing? SING all the way to the bank? Because if you are, you're winning. Up 19%. That's winning. I told you guys, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Oh, all this winning is contagious, isn't it? Could there be more? Well, guess what? We got the most intelligent community of traders on the planet. And thanks to you guys, I love you guys, okay? You guys are helping us win every single day. And our community is getting better. And we're going to continue to get better. And we're going to continue to be snipers. And we're going to continue to be ninjas. And we're going to continue to win. What else, people? What else is winning? Is there anything else that I haven't talked about that is winning today on a Money Monday? What is happening in the stock market today? What is happening in the stock market today? Netflix is up. The markets are up. We are in the green. And you know we love it in the green, people. We love it in the green. What do we love that's green? So many things. We love green things. We love money. It's green. We love when stocks are up. It's green. And we love other green things too. We love green. Don't you guys love green at home? I think you do. What else do we love that's green? Well, take a look at this. See this flag here? It's green. Have you guys ever noticed my flag? It's got green on one side and it's got red on the other. Isn't that funny? Isn't that just like the markets? Isn't it just like the markets? I think it was meant to be. The Portuguese flag should be the symbol of the stock market. Green some days, red the others. Green some days, red the others. Isn't that like the stock market? Do you guys see the symbolism? See how it's all kind of connected? It's all connected like a Rubik's Cube. We're all connected, people. Let me explain something to you guys, okay? Human beings, we are all connected. It doesn't matter if you're in Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Australia. It doesn't matter where you're from. We are all connected. We are all human beings. So if you think you're living in your igloo in Canada or your beautiful mansion in America and you're not affected by what's happening in North Korea, the Middle East, Africa, you're wrong. You are affected. You're affected every single day. Because if war happens and oil prices and gas prices go up, guess what? You get affected. So we are all connected. The whole world is connected. We are all connected. If this stock market crashes and gold shoots up, we all get affected. So we are all connected in this world, and we all get affected by all the good and all the bad that happens. Every single day. It's true. So I want you guys to understand that we are all connected and we all get affected and we are all human beings. And I love everybody equally. I don't care what country you come from, what religion you are, what music you listen to, how tall you are, how much you eat, what your favorite food is, what your favorite color is, what kind of music you listen to. And if you listen to country, I might think you're a little odd, but it's okay. I'm not going to treat you any differently, even though I don't personally like country. I like me my hip hop. But it's okay. If you like country, it's okay. You can be a part of our community too. That's the beautiful thing about our community. We do not discriminate. We are not prejudiced. You won't see me play country on my show. But if you like to listen to country yourself, that's totally fine. And that's what I'm trying to say. I do not discriminate. We are not prejudiced. And we are not racist on Rich TV Live. In fact, we are the anti of all of that. We believe that all humans are connected. Everybody in this world as a team working together, we can all achieve more. And my message to the world, and believe me, we are worldwide, and we are going to continue to go bigger and harder and more global than ever before because we've got our own app. We've got our own website, Rich TV Live. We've got our own streaming platform where we're streaming on multiple platforms every single day. We have 9 YouTube channels and growing by the second. And we are going to continue to grow. We will not stop. It is my life's mission that we educate the world and we teach the world how not to work for money, but instead to print it. He said it. He said it, folks. We are going to print. I'm going to break you in. I'm going to teach you how to print. I'm going to teach you the tools of the gods. TD Bank, Royal Bank, CIBC, Bank of Montreal, Scotiabank, they all print it. Bank of America, US Bank, Wells Fargo, they all print it. Morgan Stanley, they print it. Goldman Sachs, they print it. Facebook, they print it. Amazon, they print it. Google, they print it. Snapchat, they print it. So if they print it, why shouldn't we? Maybe we should. Have you ever thought about printing? Now, how do you print it? Well, running a public company is a poor man's legitimate expression of operating and running their own bank. It's true. And believe it or not, your main man right here, Rich D on Rich Live TV. Rich TV Live, Rich Live TV. This guy right here, he prints it. And I can teach you how to print it too. If you're a private company anywhere in the world and you want to print it, call me. I can teach you. I can educate you. I can show you how to print it. I know. It's true. So why would anybody in this world want to work for money that other people are printing? I mean, isn't that insane? It's like your neighbor's printing money because he runs his own public company. He's printing it and selling it and printing it and selling it. Takes a medical marijuana company, puts it into his company. All of a sudden the stock starts trading millions and millions of dollars every single day just because they have the word marijuana in it. And all of a sudden, everybody's just printing paper. Printing. And making so much money. And you're going to go and work for it 9 to 5, 9 to 7, 9 to 9, Saturdays, Sundays, every day. Work. I work hard. I make my money. I'm a hard worker. Now, how can you compete with the guy that's printing it? He prints it, says, here you go, here's $100,000. Keep up all the great work. And then while he gives you your $100,000, he just keeps printing. He's like, okay, there's $100,000 in this pocket. There's another $100,000 in that 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 pocket. So you can keep working for it. I'll print it. And if you want to learn to print it, you can call me and I'll show you how. I will teach you how to print it. I work with over 100 private and public companies worldwide, and that number is growing by the second, and it will continue to because our platform is winning. It's true. Any company that gets featured on Rich TV Live typically goes up, and any company that gets featured on Rich TV Live is getting a lot of exposure. So if you're a private or public company and you want exposure, you want advertising, you want people to see you, you can contact Rich TV Live and we can work out a deal and give you the opportunity to be a part of our website. We can give you the opportunity to be on our app. We can give you the opportunity to be on our show. We have a lot of platforms that we own, a lot of intellectual properties already that we own. We've got our own clothing line that we are creating. We've got our own logos. We've got a lot of our own trademarked and copyrighted slogans, and we're going to continue to develop, and we're going to continue to grow. And something really special has happened. We have a show within our show. We have the subscribers now sending me content. We have Mr. Katam. We have Angel. We have my main man, Tony Brown. We have Naveed, the travel freak, whose show and channel is going viral and has over 3,500 views in his videos that he's made in the Dominican Republic. That's really helped boost Rich TV Live. We have you, the people. We have Drew, our very own futures trader in Toronto, coming live on Rich TV Live. So we've got more content than anybody else on the planet. And we're going to continue to stream. And we're going to continue to bring you guys good content. And if any of you guys on YouTube or anywhere else in the world have any good content, have any interesting videos, have any funny videos, or anything related to sports, stocks, and trending topics, send it to me. Download our app, send it to me on WhatsApp, and if I like your video, I might feature you live right on our show, or I might just publish it live on YouTube. And if I like the video and it goes viral and we make money here on Rich TV Live, I will share the profits with you 50-50. Moreover, if you guys want to get involved with Rich TV Live and you want to work with Rich TV Live, you can actually call up private and public companies, get them to come on our show, and we'll send them a contract. And if they hire us to work with them and they compensate us, we will give you a 20% commission for contacting those companies, getting them on our show, and working with Rich TV Live. So you, the average person at home, you don't even have to have money to make money on Rich TV Live. You can just join our show, download the app, subscribe to our channel, watch our show, join our community in the app that is literally talking stocks 24/7. And you can send me videos, you can send me companies, and if any of those videos come on our show and makes us money, you'll make 50%. You can send me public companies, and if those public companies come on my show and hire us, we'll give you 20% of what we get. We typically charge $10,000 a month for companies to come on our show, and if you're a public company, you can give us shares, which you guys print. Now, if you don't want to give us shares because you don't want to dilute your stock, that's totally fine. We're very friendly. We're long-term investors. All our shares are restricted, so we can't sell them for at least 6 to 12 months. Now, if you don't want to give us shares, we're welcome to take cash. Now, let's say you don't want to pay us $10,000 a month in stock. That's totally fine. We will accept $5,000 a month in cash for you to come onto our show and to help you build exposure for yourself. I know, it's true. You can have that opportunity too. So guys, pick up your phone and call if you want exposure, because trust me when I tell you, we are growing. I think the number is we are in about 14 countries that have downloaded our app. I know on YouTube alone, there's over 30 countries that people are watching Rich TV Live in right now every single day. It's absolutely incredible. I love it. It's a dream come true. None of this would be possible without you, the people. Now, we're actually working on getting NPHC on our show today. I don't know if they will actually be able to come on the show because they're waiting to get their 10K out. If their 10K comes out today, we will bring them live, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be signing out here pretty quickly because I got a lot of research to do. There's a lot of things happening, and I got to get back to work, and I got to find you guys some more winners. So, is there anything that I've missed? Hold on. Okay, guys. We have been live for 57 minutes. Are there any other stocks that I've missed? Hello, everybody streaming on LiveMe. We got 49 people watching right now live on LiveMe. We are going to say bye to everybody on LiveMe. Bye, LiveMe. We love you guys. We'll see you guys next time. LiveMe. And we got a ranking of, we got a B. So LiveMe is pretty cool. They actually give you a ranking on your live stream. They gave us that B this time, which is actually pretty good. The highest I've ever got is a B+, and I'm pretty happy with that score of a B, personally. And as you go higher and higher, and as you broadcast more and more, they give you a higher ranking, they give you a higher score, and they will put you to a larger audience based on your ranking. So it's pretty cool. We're climbing up the ranks of all of our different streaming platforms. We're really, really excited about what's happening, and we're going to continue to do that. So we got NPHC up 16.9%. We've got, wow, guys, take a look at this. Do you guys believe this? This is the power of Rich TV Live, which is why we only follow winners. GBSN up 133%. It's up 30% since we've been streaming live. And I brought it to you guys first. That's the power of Rich TV Live and streaming television to bring you the winners live before anybody else on the planet. That's what we do, people. That's what we do. All we do is bring you winners, winners that keep going up, winners that have momentum. This is why I don't chase losers, we chase winners. We don't chase losers, people. We don't chase losers, we chase winners. We love chasing winners because when you chase winners, you win. And when you chase losers, you lose. BVTK is up 58%. BITCF is up 20%. SING is up 18.8%. And CBLI, let's take a look at that one again. CBLI up 96%. These are some of the hottest stocks in the universe today right now, guys. Let's take a look and see if there's any more that you guys got going. What have I missed? MMEX. MMEX. Wow. Give it up to MMEX. Up 81%. Traded 106 million shares. That's winning. Wow. Let's give it up to Angel for finding MMEX. A big winner. Now, I've created some of my own music, and we've got our own DJs, we've got our own hip-hop artists that are famous, that are going to be working with us. So it's really exciting. As we grow, we will get bigger exponentially because a lot of people are already watching our show. So it's pretty exciting. It's very humbling, actually, to know how many people are actually watching our show. It's really humbling. So what I'm going to do, I want to show you guys some of my music that I created because that's what I do. Ready?
Let the skills pay the bills. I'm out for mini skirts, big checks, and
Skills
cheap
pay the
thrills.
bills.
Hit 'em, sick when I spit 'em. Lyrics like dirty money, bad but still illin'. Rumors they bad mouth spread this urban fiction. It's like they can't get enough mind-numbing addiction. Quick when I hit 'em, sick when I spit 'em. Lyrics like dirty money, bad but still illin'. Rumors they bad mouth spread this urban fiction. It's like they can't get enough mind-numbing addiction. Quick when I
All night long.
We're going to party all night long. All night long. Till the break of dawn. When you're winning like this, how can you not party?
might be this money, might be this slang.
Just saying.
The way I drop that flow on this thing. Rap world soldier, and you can never ever get on my level. Last time I told ya, might be this money, might be this slang.
All right, people. I think it's about that time. I gotta figure out what's up. Are we going live with NPHC today? Is there 10K out? What is up? Let's give it up to Angel for giving me MMEX. Is there anything else that I'm missing, people? What else would you guys like to hear? Let me give you this other song that I made, because I like to make music. I'm going to leave you guys with the hottest stocks in the universe. What's the hottest stock in the universe right now? Man, these are all winning. Wow. Hot stocks today. My goodness, there's a lot. You know what? Since all the stocks are hot, I was just going to leave you with Market Watch because everything's in the green. I love you, Facebook. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to Rich TV Live. Go to www.richtvlive.com and download our app. It's free. Peace, Facebook. We'll see you next time. I love you, YouTube. You're the #1 streaming platform in the world. But you know what? I gotta go find more winners. It takes a lot of hard work finding all these winners. Money Monday to you all. We found a lot of hot stocks today. You guys keep winning. And remember, visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that like down below and comment on the show, because all I do is bring you winners. You can book it. Oh.
We get it poppin' cause we fresh to death. Half a mil on this grill and I'm molding, yes. Let the skills pay the bills. I'm out for mini skirts, big checks, and cheap thrills. Fresh to
I didn't just leave. I'm just joking. Do you guys actually think I was leaving just like that? No, not like that. Not like that. I'm gonna leave you guys with a stock that I just love, and I need special music for this because I'm gonna bring up Mr. Kenny Lee's music. That's right. One of our subscribers, Kenny Lee, created some music, and I think he deserves some recognition. So what we're going to do, Mr. Kenny Lee, right now, is I'm going to find your music right now, live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the world. I'm going to move it out of the way so you guys can see BITCF, a company that we've been talking about every single day on our show. It's true. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some of Kenny Lee's great work, and we're going to play it before we say goodbye. Okay, guys? I know, you want more, but guys, I can't be live all day, because if I'm live all day, I can't find you guys winners. And I need to go back to work. I need to find more winners. And don't worry, if I find more winners, I'll let you guys know in the app. That's why you guys need to download the app, because that's where all the winners are, guys. We talk about the winners there first, okay? And I give you guys my opinion live every single day on the app. So please, download the app and join the party, because we're winning. And I'm telling you guys right now, we ain't gonna stop. You ready? Give it up to Kenny Lee, our very own Kenny Lee.